Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and you have to get the application to transfer data, and there's the full name of the app that we are going to use in this video, and if you find it you have to click install, and of course you have to do the same thing on this Android smartphone. Right now let's open it on our Motorola, and right now we have to accept all of the permissions that pops on your screen. Of course on the second smartphone you have to do the same, but it's not going to happen here because it's my private smartphone and I use this application a lot of times. But you have to follow the same steps like on the Motorola. So accept permissions with allow button, click sender on Android phone and receiver on Motorola. Click search again, and if you get here Android share icon you have to just tap on it. So just wait, and right now we are able to tap, and we can connect right now our smartphones in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password here manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. As you can see, it's really fast, definitely faster than the input this password manually. Accept the request on your Android phone, and right now if you want to send all of the data that you have on the smartphone you have to just select the icons and click start. Here you get the size of the selected files and also estimated time. If you want to send for example only photos, you have to just select the photos and after that just tap start. But in my case it's only example, so I will go below for the details and I'm going for the music, and I'm going to select all stuff and I'm going to pick up only these two songs. Right now I'm clicking go start, OK. Songs are sent, and right now we can check it where it is. So as you can see, when we enter the files and downloads, we can find here the songs that we sent from the Android phone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah.